Hi everyone, it's good to see you today. Thanks for joining me. I have a new color story that I'd like to read to you today, and I have a really fun science experiment that we'll do after. So the story that I would like to read to you is called The Crayon Box That Talked. And in this story, we're going to meet a bunch of crayons that have some trouble getting along with each other. This is a really fun story. It is a great rhyming story. So before we get started reading, I wanted to do a rhyming game with you. Now, rhyming words are two words that have the same sound at the end. So for example, if I were to say the word red, a word that rhymes with red is the word Fred. Red, Fred. They both have ed. Okay? So what I want you to do at home is I want you to give me a thumbs up if I have a rhyming word, or give me a thumbs down if it is not a rhyming word. Okay, so we're going to start with the word hand. Okay, so if I have the word hand and I were to say hand band, give me a thumbs up if band is a rhyming word for hand, or thumbs down if it's not. Hand band. Hand band. They both have and. How about the word hand sand? Hand, sand. They both have and. How about hand, lamp? Hand, lamp. Nope, they are not rhyming words. They do not have the same sound at the end. Let's try another body part. How about we do the word nose? So if I were to say nose, ice cream. Are they rhyming or are they not rhyming? Nose, ice cream. Not rhyming words. How about nose, snows? Nose, snows. They both have O's. Both rhyming words. How about nose, hose? Nose, hose. They both have O's. Good job. Let's take another body part. How about my head? Head, red. Head, red. They both have ed. Good job. How about head, table? Head, table. They are not rhyming words. Good work. How about head, said? Head, said. They both have ed. Great job rhyming. So now what I would like to do is I'd like to read this rhyming story to you. We'll read it together and you can help me with any rhyming words that maybe you hear or know. And then we will do a science experiment afterward. The Crayon Box That Talked by Derolf. The Crayon Box That Talked. While walking in a toy store the day before today, I overheard a crayon box with so many things to say. I don't like red, said Yellow, and Green said, nor do I. And no one here likes orange, but no one knows just why. We are a box of crayons that doesn't get along, said Blue to all the others. Something here is wrong. Well, I bought that box of crayons and took it home with me and laid out all the colors so the crayons could all see. They watched me as I colored with red and blue and green and black and white and orange and every color in between. They watched as green became the grass and blue became the sky. The yellow sun was shining bright on white clouds drifting by. colors changing as they touched, becoming something new. They watched me as I colored. They watched till I was through. And when I finally finished, I began to walk away. And as I did, the crayon box had something more to say. I do like red, said Yellow. And Green said, so do I. And Blue, you were terrific, so high up in the sky. We are a box of crayons, each one of us unique. But when we get together, the picture is complete. And there they are, all working together to make a beautiful picture with lots of different colors. The end. So we're going to do a little experiment with some color mixing. What I did was I froze some colored water in these little cups. I froze yellow and blue and red, which are 3 primary colors. But as you will see, we can use those 3 colors, and if they work together, they are able to create new colors. So I have this out here in the sun, and all I'm going to do is dump my blue and my yellow together. I'm going to dump my blue and my red together. And I'm going to dump my yellow and my red together. And we're going to leave this out in the sun for a little bit, let those ice cubes melt, and let's see when these 2 colors mix together what new colors they will create. So as you can see, the ice has pretty much all melted and the 2 colors have mixed together to create something new. The yellow and blue together have created a green. The blue and the red together have created a purple, and the red and the yellow together have created an orange. And if I were to pour this into here, you might be able to see a little bit better that this is a purple, a nice deep purple of that red and blue together. So when the colors work together, they're able to create something beautiful. I hope that you are creating beautiful things at home, and I look forward to seeing and learning with you again.